Hello guys, welcome back to Topology VIT. So today's question is number of connection in mesh topology. So I will explain you the question. So basically the question is there are n number of computers. They are arranged in a mesh topology order. And they are saying that if the computers are adjacent, the cost of connecting the adjacent computer is C1, and if the computers are not adjacent, then cost of connecting the computers are C2, and C1 is always less than C2. So you need to simply find the total cost which will take to connect all the computers. So for example, if the number of nodes in the network is 5 and C1 is 7, like C1 is the cost for adjacent and C2 is not adjacent, then the total cost is 75. Okay, so first of all, let us see how are the adjacent and non-adjacent computers connected. So basically, let us suppose that there are six computers. Okay, like assume the vertex to be the computers. Okay, assume this vertex to be the computers. So you can see that the adjacent ones are the total number of directly the connections, right? So there would be n connections in adjacent form. Okay, but for non-adjacent, you have to see that this computer cannot connect to this computer and cannot connect to this computer. Like in a non-adjacent form, in the adjacent form we have connected, but in non-adjacent form, as they are adjacent, they cannot be connected in adjacent form. Okay, so you have these three options: 1, 2, 3, right? Similarly, now you can see for this one, like wait, let me show you. Okay. Yes, so similarly for this node, we cannot connect to this, we cannot connect to this, we can connect to 1, 2, 3, and similarly for this and this. So we can see that we have to skip these 3 nodes and you have to connect to n minus 3 nodes, right? So total number of connections will be n minus 3, that is for one computer, and total there are n computers, so times n. But you have to see that suppose I will explain you, like suppose there is this connection. So basically this computer cannot connect to this, cannot connect to this. Okay, this will connect to this. Now if we see this one, this cannot connect to this cannot connect to this. So it can basically connect to this one, this one, and this one, right? Like one, I will show you again, like it's okay, right? So this one I was talking about can connect to this, and this cannot be connected, this cannot be connected, and this also, and this. Now this one, now this will also connect to this, and this. You can see there is a overlapping, right? There are 2 links made, hence you have to consider only one link as two computers can be linked, like for one time only one, you have to connect one link. So we have to divide it by 2 for all the n computers. So total connection will be n into n minus 3 by 2 for non-adjacent, and for adjacent it will be n. Okay, so now I will simply show you the code. Like let us write the code first. So basically, first of all, we will take the input. Okay, C1 is input, C2 is input. Now for connection of adjacent, the price would be C1 times n. For connection of non-adjacent, total connections are n minus 3 times, okay, sorry, times n by 3, so by 2. So to simply print both the prices, like total price int x plus, okay, we have to multiply it by c2 also, right, as c2 is the price. So x plus 5. Now let's check the output. Okay, so you can see it has passed all the test cases. So I hope you understood the question. Thank you.